Access cascade delete option means delete related record automatically when the parent table record is deleted. The cascade delete option is a referential integrity feature in MS Excel. When enabled, it ensures that all related record in child table are automatically deleted, and when a record in the parent's table is deleted, this helps maintain data integrity by the preventing orphan record in the database. It is particularly useful in database with the relationship with the parent-child data dependency exists. MS Access क्या है? MS Access means Microsoft Access is a database management system from Microsoft that combine all the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tool. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite of application. Access allow user to create tables, queries, form, and report and connect them together using macros. Referential integrity is a property of data stating that all the references are valid. In a relational database, it ensures that relationship between tables remain constant. For example, a foreign key is one table point at the primary key to the another table, and referential integrity ensure that these connection is maintained. Now here we will talk about the parent and child table. So in the relational database, a parent table is table that hold the primary key, while the child table hold the foreign keys that references the primary key of the parent table. This or relationship enforce rule about the data of in the child table based on the data in the parent table. Now orphan records occur when a record in a child table reference a non-existence record in the parent table, and this situation often arises when the referential integrity is often maintained properly. Cascade delete help prevent orphan record by ensuring that related child record are deleted when a parent record is deleted. Now the blinking symbol on computer screen is called the cursor. So the cursor means running or Latin language. The cursor resembles the user point on the screen, and it works as part the user input using the point device. A mouse is a pointing device that user can use to operate the cursor on the screen. A logo is a symbol that can represent the anything, but the cursor is a specific name of a pointer on the outside output console. The hand does not stand for anything for any terminology that can stand input output device and their operation. Now which of the following require a disk drive? So the disk driver is needed. This is a because disk like hard drives or SSD are hardware component that a computer operating system uses to store and retrieve data. A device drive is a type of software that let the operating system and other application interact with these hardware. This could refer to the hard drive or any disk-based storage medium where your file and software are stored. A device driver is required to communicate with a disk because it is a separate physical hardware component. The driver acts as a translator, converting the generic command sent by the application into a specific command that the disk hardware can understand. Without the driver, the operating system would know how to correctly send instruction to retrieve data from the disk register. There are tiny amount of ultra fast storage that exists inside the computer processor CPU. They store immediate data that the CPU is currently processing. The operating system and the CPU work together to manage these registers directly without the need for any device driver. Main memory, also known as a RAM, random access memory, is where data is stored temporarily when the CPU needs it to access it quickly. Like register, main memory is also managed directly by the operating system and CPU without a device driver. Cache memory is a component that is stored data to future require for that data can be served faster. There is a several type of cache, including CPU cache located inside the CPU and disk cache, which is help to speed of access to the hard disk. Caching is managing directly by the hardware and the operating system, so there is not a specific device driver required for it. Now, which of the following is not a number system in the reference of computer, that is penta number. So penta number system. So Kera, which of the following is not a number system in reference to the computer, that is penta. So there are four system in reference to the computer: binary, decimal, octal, or hexadecimal. So only on and off status of the switch may be understood by the computer. The number 1 and 0 stand for these two states. Binary numerals are created by fusing the integer 1 and 0, and these figures depict a variety of statics. The base 10 number system, arguably most widely used number system, is referred to decimal. 10 single digit make the decimal system. Just say 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. So here we will see that 10 number systems are arguably most widely used for the decimal system. Next is our uh, the base value of the hexadecimal number system, a short of number system, is 16. Additionally, it can actually be spoken by hex. There are only 16 symbols used to represent hexadecimal integers: a, b, c, d, e, f. A, B, C, D, E, and F are following value for symbols: O, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. They are what? They are mm, सिंबल्स। तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे जो कुछ अल्फ़ाबेट और ये जो होते हैं नंबर्स होते हैं उसी को हेक्साडेसिमल होता है। एन ऑक्टिकल नंबर सिस्टम इज़ वन दैट कैन हैज़ नंबर 8 एज़ इज़ फंडामेंटल इट इज़ ओनली 0 थ्रू 7। ठीक है। नाउ सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्ट्रक्शन इंटेंडेड टू सेटिस्फाई अ यूजर्स स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेसिंग नीड आर कॉल्ड application software. So software instruction intended to satisfy a user's specific processing need are called application software. An application software, app or application for short, is computer software designed to perform a group of coordinated function, task, or activity on the benefit of the user. Software instruction that tell a computer what to do. Software comprises the entire set of program, procedure, and the routines associated with the operation of the computer system. The term was coined to differentiate that instruction from hardware and the physical component of the computer system. Now, what is the shortcut key to select entire row of MS Excel worksheet? That is Shift plus space. Though Shift plus space is a shortcut key to select the entire row of MS or Excel worksheet. तो पूरे इंटायर एम एस एक्सेल वर्कशीट को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? शिफ्ट प्लस स्पेस। दिस टेबल एक्सेल लिस्ट ऑफ द मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज शॉर्टकट इन एक्सेल। क्लोज टू वर्कबुक, कंट्रोल प्लस डब्ल्यू। ओपन आवर वर्कबुक, कंट्रोल प्लस ओ। Or go to Home tab, Alt plus H. Save a workbook, Control plus S. Copy selection, Control plus C. Paste selection, Control plus V. Undo recent action, Control plus Z. Remove all cell content, delete. Choose all fill color, Alt plus H. ठीक है। Cut selection, Control plus X. Go to the Insert tab, Alt plus N. Apply bold formatting, Control plus B. Center line cell content, Alt plus H या A या C. Go to page layout, Alt plus P. Go to data tab, Alt plus A. Go to view tab, Alt plus W. Open the context menu, Shift plus F10 or Windows menu. Add border, Alt plus H. Delete column, Alt plus H. Go to the formula tab, Alt plus M. Hide the selected rows, Control plus 9. Hide the selected column, Control plus 0. Now next question. Now which alignment cannot occur in the text of the document, that is zigzag. So your zigzag is the correct answer. So your document edge should be justified left, right, top, center or bottom, aligned vertically between the margin. The text alignment describe where the how it align. Your text will be left aligned in the Microsoft Word by default, but there are numerous other formatting point for document alignment. The type of alignment is left aligned, right aligned, center, or justified text. Determine how the paragraph boundary look and are oriented. Your document's paragraph can be formatted repeatedly to have the alignment you desire. Text placement on a screen is referred to as being aligned or aligned. For instance, text that is left aligned produce a line of text on the left side of the page. Text that is aligned with the left edge is also be left aligned text. Text that is aligned with the right edge is right aligned text. Text that centered between two edges is referred to the center text. What is the effect of processing control plus G in Microsoft PowerPoint? That is duplicate the selected slide. So ये क्या है, control plus D Microsoft PowerPoint duplicate the selected slide. So here we will see in Microsoft PowerPoint control plus D shortcut insert a duplicate of the selected slide. In order to do so, you have to select the desired slide to thumbnail pane left side the PowerPoint. So control plus D keyboard shortcut. And there are many common such shortcuts that are used Microsoft PowerPoint to have some time, save time. F5 इसलिए use the start the slideshow. Control plus C का कि copy the last slide. Delete का कि delete the selected slide. Control plus N create new presentation. Control plus M add a new slide. And Control plus G or H select a theme. Control plus Alt plus H or L select the slide layout. Control plus Q close PowerPoint. Control plus S save the presentation. So these are the things you have to keep in your mind. Now the next. A dash is a collection of related web page. So a website is a collection of related web page. A website is a collection of related web page. It contains related content that is identified by common domain name or published at least one web server. Websites are usually devoted to the particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, and social networking. A web browser is a software application for the accessing information and viewing web page on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web pager retrieves the required content from the web server and then display the page on the user's device. A search engine helps to manage, filter, and retrieve information for its users. Search engines are automated tools for finding information from the collection using metadata stored in the databases. A web crawler or the spider is a type of a bot that is typically operated by search engines like Google and Bing. Their purpose to index the context of the website all across the internet so that those websites can appear in search engine result. Now the file created by Microsoft Excel computers are software are generally known as workbook. So MS Excel spreadsheet program is widely used for the varied functions such as result. The info is simple to avoid wasting time, and data is accessible and removed with zero discomfort and less labor. Cell क्या होती है? MS Excel consists of row and column which form cell. The cell are formed by the intersecting of row and columns. Each cell can hold text, numbers, special character, and so on. The row of MS Excel are named number 1, 2, 3, and the columns are with the A, B, C, D. And there are 16,384 column and 10 lakh 576 rows in the MS Excel sheet. The very first cell of MS Excel is A1. Grids क्या होते हैं? In MS Excel, the cell can be differentiated by the grid line. The grid line of the cell can be modified as per the requirement. The size of the cell also can be adjusted by moving the grid line. Worksheet. The worksheet is referred to the working area of MX Excel. It is also named as a spreadsheet. The worksheet in MS Excel is filled with cell. The worksheet, the user can be perform mathematical calculations, store data, and so on. Workbook. After storing the data in MS Excel, the user saves the file with the proper name. The file is referred as a workbook. The workbook can hold at least one or many worksheets. Now these are the workbook. Now given additional or given below area, unit some necessary advantages of the exploitation of MS Excel. Easy to store data, easy to recover data, application of mathematical formulas, more secure data at one place, neater and clearer visibility of the information. Now to get all capital letter while typing, we have to keep caps lock on. Cap lock key is usually located to the left side just above the shift key and used to type all the letter in the capital letter. Now the next, which of the following is a programming software? So that is Visual Basic. तो प्रोग्रामिंग भी क्या है, विजुअल बेसिक वीबी, इट इज अ इवेंट ड्राइवन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड environment. It is a Microsoft and provide a graphical user interface GUI. It allow the programmer to modify code by simply dragging and dropping the objects and defining their behavior and appearance. This cleanup, it is a computer maintenance utility included in Microsoft Windows, designed to free up disk space on the computer hard drive. Microsoft Windows, it is a group of several property graphical operating system families developed and marked by the Microsoft. Now next, in MS Word, gutter in related to margin. So in MS Word, gutter is a margin that is added to the binding side of the page when printing. The term gutter refers to the margins setting that provide additional room to the side or top margin of a document you intend to bind, which when it has two-sided pages. Gutter is represented by the green dotted line. This visual cue prevents you from cramming text and any visual that don't require bleed into the completed edges, the solid red line. The top, bottom, left, right edges of the document are lined from margin, which is empty spaces, and they are necessary because they contribute to documents' neat and tidy appearance. Additional information, page size: A4 page size paper measuring 8.27 inches and by 11.69 inches in what a new Word document used by default. The later paper size in W Word is A.8.5 into 11 inches by default. Orientation. Page orientation refer to how a rectangular page is spaced set up by view. Normally, portrait and landscape orientation are two most popular style. Equation. The equation editor in Microsoft Word is used to create mathematical equation which may contain fraction, integral, matrix, etc. So margin, paper layout, top, left, gutter, bottom, orientation में पेज, ठीक है. Now, free open resource software website designing is Coffee Cup. So the Coffee Cup is HTML editor is a freeware tools which make easy to develop web page using HTML and CSS. Installation of the software on the Windows PC was equally easy. Live preview of web pages handling featuring provided by the tool. So ये क्या है, मालविदा में programming caliber and the Miss Coffee. PHP क्या है? PHP is the most popular server in scripting languages on the web page that is used to develop static and dynamic website or web application. PHP is general purpose scripting language geared toward web development. It was originally created by Danish Canadian programmer Rasmus Ladoff in 1994. Cell C क्या है? C uh, at the rate C is a This pronunciation as a C sharp. It is an object-oriented programming language provided by Microsoft that run on the NetFrame. Python is a high-level language, general-purpose programming language. It designed philosophy, emphasis code readability with use the significant indentation. PHP is general-purpose scripting language, not a free open source software for website designing. Now यहाँ पे Ubuntu क्या है? ए का टू, उबंटू से ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. फायरफॉक्स क्या है? B3 ब्राउज़र है. MS आउटलुक क्या है? ईमेल क्लाइंट है. एंड एम मैक फ्री क्या है? एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर. Ubuntu के, it is a open source operating system. It is a complete Linux operating system freely available with both community and professional support. It is sponsored by the Canonical Limited. It is suitable for cloud computing servers, desktop, and Internet of the Things IoT device. Firefox, it is a web browser and it was developed by Mozilla Foundation and its subsidiary, the Mozilla Corporation. MS Outlook is a email client. It is a client included with the Microsoft Office suite. It is a personal information manager software system from Microsoft. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. McAfee क्या it is an antivirus software created and maintained by the McAfee. McAfee virus scan enterprises combines antivirus, anti-spyware, firewall, and intrusions prevention technology to stop and remove malicious software. Now, a digital signature is encrypted information. So, a digital signature is a mathematical scheme for demonstrating the authenticity of digital message or document. It enables the recipient of the information to verify the sender's identity and ensure the message was not altered to the transit, providing integrity and non-repudiation. A valid digital signature gives a recipient reason to believe that the message was created by known sender, authentication, and that it was not altered in transit integrity. Now, which of the following device cannot be shared on the computer network? That is keyboard. A keyboard is an out input tool. Keyboard is a device that cannot be shared in network since as they are noted essentially in input device and not output one. A network device are hub, repeater, bridge, switch, router, gateway, and router. Now, which contain the current instruction most recently fetched, that is instruction register. So the instruction register contain the current instruction most recently fetched. It is a special register that hold the instruction and that the processor is currently executing. And the program counter hold the memory address to the next instruction to the exclude. The compiler is a software tool that translate source code into machine code. The data register hold data is being used by the processor. Now program counter. The program counter hold the memory address of the text instruction to be executed. Compiler is the software tool that translates source code into machine. And data register के the data register hold data that is being used by the processor. Now next, which of the following piece of hardware is used as a input phase of computer based information system, that is uh, keyboard. So another piece of computer gear used to input is the device, that is keyboard. So all the elements required to gather, process, transfer, store, display on the managed information include the computer based system. Text is entered using the most popular input method, text, including key for performing specialized activity, data entry, and perform. The keyboard has key for the alphabet, numeral, spatial character, and additional input method. The input device is what processes the user input and receive command. A piece of hardware known as a printer is used to insert information that has been displayed on the computer screen. The processor device receive data input from input devices and process it be created meaningfully information which is then displayed to user through output device. Now, virtual keyboard protect the computer against all the above: password theft, Trojan program, or spyware. So, virtual keyboard protect the computer against password theft, Trojan program, and spyware. Virtual keyboard क्या होता है? Instead of physically typing the word, user can enter on a screen text you using a computer mouse or touchpad, a cell phone touch screen, or virtual keyboard. Sometimes known as a virtual keyboard. It is a fantastic alternative for those who prefer not to access their keyboard via a mobile device. Built in dictionary, punctuation, hotkeys, management, spelling, tracking, and even built in translator and spell checker are some of important features. On public computer and it internet cafe, it is risky to enter private information such as password and secret information since spyware that can record your keystrokes or keyloggers may have been installed by the someone else. Keyloggers and spyware can be defended against using virtual keyboards. Now you cannot be certain that key logger is recording your keystroke on public private computer like those at internet cafe, libraries, etc. These program can easily track your password and other sensitive information while discreetly monitoring and recording everything on your inter. An anti-keylogger or anti-keylogger uninstallation program is not always available. In these circumstances, people type their safe personal information such as username and password using the virtual on-screen keyboard. So this will be the answer. So I hope you will like this video for today's purpose. continue with the series. Thank you and have a nice day.